Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your PicWish app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on apps. You come to apps list here. So then you just go down and here you're looking for PicWish or just click on search. Then at PicWish it's going to show for you like this here. You click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click on for stop. Click on OK here. So then you go down. You just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. So then you just switch into open with you here and you search for PicWish. It's going to show for you like this. You will find update here, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.